How to change daily withdrawal limit Westpac. To change your daily withdrawal limit with Westpac, you can do so through their online banking or the Westpac app. The default daily withdrawal limit for a Westpac debit MasterCard is $1,000. You can manage this limit by increasing, decreasing, or setting a new default limit. Here is how to change it. Via the Westpac app. Update to the latest version of the app. In the Smart Search bar, select Change Debit MasterCard Limit or Search Debit Card Limit. Select the card you want to update. Follow the prompts to enter your new limits. Tap Continue, Submit, then Done. Via online banking. Select Change Debit MasterCard Limit or go to Service Change Debit MasterCard Limit. Select the card you want to update. Follow the prompts to enter your new limits. Tap Continue, Submit, then Done. Thanks for watching.